Top 10 Tummy Trimmers. For most women who are trying to lose weight and be fit, belly fat is the most common and toughest obstacle. If you can relate to the majority, you've come to the right place. Hi, welcome to Eat It Fitness, and in this video, we are going to share with you great top 10 tips that will trim down your tummy and help you say goodbye to your excess belly fat. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness videos. Top 10. Core weight training. Lifting weights build muscles. Your muscles can burn calories even when you are resting. As you do this, focus on exercises that target your lower abs. Crunches are great belly blasters, plus you won't need any equipment, just core strength and body weight. Top 9. Planks. We know how even 15 seconds can seem so long when doing planks. But if you really aim for a flatter tummy, you have to take the challenge. Planking improves your core strength, posture, flexibility, and most of all, gives you a tighter tummy. Top 8. Green tea. Studies suggest that drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day can help you on your quest to a flatter tummy. You can do this after you wake up, before you work out, and before you sleep. Top 7. Yogurt. Yogurt is abundant in calcium, and calcium has been linked to lower levels of abdominal fat. Top 6. Coconut oil. Oils are fats, but not all fats are bad. In fact, according to experts, coconut oil is the healthiest fats you can give your body. Some studies even claim that it directly affects belly fat loss. Top 5. Whole grains. Some people think removing carbs completely out of their diet works best for trimming their tummy. But carbs like whole grains actually help fight your belly bulge. Whole grains include oatmeal, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. Top 4. Citrus. Vitamin C, especially natural sources such as lemons, oranges, papayas, and tomatoes, keeps the hormone called hydroxysteroid dehydrogenase from storing fats in your belly. Top 3. Bananas. Yes, bananas are high in calories, but that's not a reason to ignore the fruit because bananas are great belly blasters. You can ask its healthy fibers. Top 2. Avocados. Avocados are great sources of soluble fibers that are great fighters of visceral fat, the kind of fats you want to get rid of, and the kind of fats you can find most in your belly. Top 1. Proteins. Proteins play an important role in boosting your metabolic rate. Studies have shown that people who eat quality protein have less belly fat. Another study suggests that proteins reduce the chance of abdominal fat gain over 5 years. Include these tips into your lifestyle to achieve your flat belly goals. See you next time.